Alright, upon initializing power to the chiller unit, this is the home screen that will come up. OEM control is for our use only, no usable parts are there. By hitting the main button, you go to the main screen. You will notice that we have faults on everything at the moment. That's because it's a power-up cycle. By hitting Unit 1, you'll see that we have faults and it shows a reefer fault. This will happen on power-up. Go through and clear them by hitting Reset, 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 and Reset. Once they're all green, you're good to go. If you'll notice, there's no more reefer safeties, and you have a green light, a green light, and a green light, and a green light. The ready light is not on because there's no water flow. We're not pumping water through the units now. So you have a blinking light that says no water flow, and this bar is red. Upon establishing water flow, this will turn to green, and this light will quit blinking, and this will display the GPM flowing. This is your inlet temperature to the heat exchanger, and this is the cooling outlet temperature. Turning the master switch on allows that unit to operate. It will only operate if these all three are green. If they're green, this will turn to green and go from red. All units operate the same. You also have your set point page. This is where the chiller turns off, is the set point. So Unit 1, the top unit, will cool to the water, reaches 50. It turns off until it warms up the differential, which would be 50 plus 15, which is 65 degrees, and it will turn back on again. The fan on and off set points are factory set. They are adjustable in case we need to make some changes in the field. To change any of the set points, you just simply touch the box and the graphical display will come up. Hit enter, we can change this to 55, hit enter, and now it's 55 degrees. By pressing the Unit 1 status, we'll go back to the screen here that controls all the units. You also notice the E-stop is not pressed because there's a green light. It means it's okay. If you hit the main screen, you go back to the pump station screen. Notice the faults have cleared out. The top unit is okay to run, the bottom unit is okay to run, and there's no E-stop. We'll have to do the same thing on Unit 2 on the startup. Clear the safeties. Everything's ready to run.